Do you think in terms of the guest experience itself, before Corona and now after Corona, that the guest service expectation level from the customer side has shifted? And how are we adapting to that as well to still provide that level of service that's in line with what your brand wishes to do towards the customer?
A shift has happened, and guests are now more mindful of the hygiene in a hotel and how well you manage that current situation. Guests are not, well, currently I have the feeling that guests are very understanding that you as a hotelier or you as a team, if you work in a hotel, are in the middle of that process of change. They do understand and respect that, but at the same time, they are very mindful that they are in a safe and hygienic environment. And at the same time, they're also very mindful when they look at a menu and see whether the ingredients you have on that menu whether those are produced sustainably and locally. And they question, where that apple is from, whether it is from China or Italy or Germany. And I believe this shift has happened and has even become stronger with Corona. And I believe it gives us working in a hotel a great opportunity to really rethink our processes and rethink our menus and procedures to adapt to that shift of guest experience.
Yeah, no matter how